Hey, what's up everyone? Today I bring you a brand new 2011 International WorkStar Dump Truck. This is going to be a review of the truck. I'm going to go over the interior and exterior as well as the features on it, and I'm going to show you just about everything on this truck. This is the truck that's going to be used for the town, and alright, let's do it on up. And this truck is certified clean idle by Navistar Engine Company. And it's got the MaxxForce Diesel engine, advanced diesel power by International WorkStar. And that's your engine block heater cord for the truck. And it says use ultra low sulfur diesel fuel only. I think this truck has 2 fuel tanks, but I'm not sure. Wow, it's a brand new truck. Bet you they just got it recently. I was gonna go over to the back of the dump and show you everything, but whatever. It's not worth climbing into a big truck such as this. This is your battery setup. This runs on 2 batteries. Let's see if I can tighten the thing. There we go. It's tight enough. You can see the stack on the truck. And this, you can look over here. It also has air brakes suspension. And these over there, these wires over there, they activate this big snow plow. That's a huge monster right there. Alright, let's show you the inside of the truck. It does have an 8-speed transmission, by the way, so just want to let everyone know. Smells like a brand new truck. Like I said, this is going to be used for the town, so wow. Okay, you got power windows and door locks. That's your air horn, cruise control right here too. It's got an 8-speed transmission. This is the 8-speed, what it tells you. This truck's got everything. You got your winter engine intake, roof auxiliary on, power inverter, parking brake. You got your hours there, and this is what controls the snow plow. AM/FM stereo. You got your climate control. You got your fan speed, heat and cold, the temperature. That's your different settings. And this has power windows and door locks too on the truck. And I believe this is what activates the snow plow. I'm not sure because it's a brand new truck. But anyways, this has, these are your map lights. And this is where you can put all your stuff in there. Visors, you got right over here too. Oh boy. Come on. Alright. Hazards. Windshield wipers. Just about everything on this thing. Alright. You can hear it's the seat. And this is this is your power seat for the passenger and the driver as well. So Alright, let's do the walk around of the truck one more time. MaxxForce Advanced Diesel Power, certified clean idle. I think that the new Internationals come with glow plugs, I'm not sure. WorkStar. This has the Tenco dump body on it. It's orange, just to match the truck, by the way. They're going to use it for the town for the winters, so we got a long way to go. WorkStar, MaxxForce Advanced Diesel Power. This truck does have the plow that matches the truck. I'm in love with this color. And the plow is also by Tenco. Alright, hope everyone enjoyed this review of the 2011 International WorkStar Dump Truck. Alright, take it easy, everybody.